And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
Some rain out there today. Areas mainly north and west of 95, barely a drop, but southeast of 95 and closer to the Rhode Island coast had some modest numbers. And now trying to get through the cloud cover here in Richmond, I can see a little blue sky for parts of the air, and I get a little brightness towards the trees at moments. But overall, though, rain is out and a little sunshine before the day is out through the evening, especially for areas closest to the Rhode Island-Connecticut state line. With the cloud cover and the rain today, temperatures way down, 70s, and you think, oh, it was a nice, cool, refreshing day, even though it rained. The dew points are like off the charts. It is so humid. We talked about this early this week. We said, yeah, you're going to see a bit of an improvement Wednesday and Thursday. And believe it or not, this is actually an improvement over what we had earlier in the week. And not until Friday were we going to get it right. And that was going to drop the temperature, drop the dew points. This is what I mean. 60s to near 70 in the dark green for all of Rhode Island and southeastern Mass. But go northwest, and there's some refreshing 50s in Springfield and Worcester, and even Killingly, Connecticut. I mean, it is knocking on the door. We're going to take that humidity down as we go into the day for tomorrow. Reason why? Not because of the low pressure that brought the rain, but because of a frontal boundary, a cold front off to our north and west. Doesn't really bring cold air, but it does change the air mass and brings in that less humid air as we go into the day for tomorrow, which will be nice. Now the question is, can we dodge any more rain after today? I don't want to. We know we need the rain, but I know a lot of you have weekend plans and you certainly want to be outside. Here's the last 6 hours. I said yesterday that it would essentially drive up 95. So if you lived on 95 or areas south and east or south, you'd have a better chance of rain. And there we go. So just about out of here now. And just cloudy for most locations. Try to pop a little sun before the evening. Now the drought monitor. Okay, we talked 2 months ago about how the colors were going to start getting brighter and brighter if we didn't change the pattern. Red's pretty bright, and it's all of Bristol County and southeastern Mass, and kind of this wacky little bit of Rhode Island where like Woonsocket and Cumberland, yes, coastal locations, yes, but not Block Island and not Burrillville, even though you're almost in the same spot. Whatever it is, we're all way behind on the numbers. You're getting to the point now where the trees become brittle. They're vulnerable to insects that can cause damage to those trees. You can't reverse any of this. This is already happening. Water restrictions for many towns have already taken place, but if your town has not done that, now's the time to start thinking about it. Should have probably been done about 2 weeks ago. We're getting to the now point where the water table is low. If you have a well, you don't have much water left in it. You're digging deeper. You got to drill deeper, right? Ponds, places that have water, the water quality is poor as well. That's where we're at. That's what the red means. All right, so for tomorrow, partly sunny, an isolated storm, temperatures 70s and low 80s. Better chance of storm, if we have one, will likely be for areas closer to the Cape. Temperatures 80s for southeastern Mass. Kind of a partly sunny day. And for the most part, not much rain tomorrow or for the weekend. So here's that little isolated storm for tomorrow. There it is. So Cape Cod has a chance. Areas southeastern Mass would probably have a better chance than areas, say, Rhode Island. Let's go into Saturday. Saturday is a tricky forecast. Big low off the coast. Rain remains offshore or eclipse area. I never put question marks in my forecast because it's my job to answer that question for you. But I asked it in a question so I could zoom in and show you. For Saturday, I've left it dry for our area. But if your travels take you Cape Cod, Martha's Vineyard, or Nantucket, there could be a few showers. Other than that, the weekend looks fine. Brighter on Sunday, temperatures around 80. Enjoy, because next week truly looks like a nice pattern change. It's a way too early call. But Tuesday through Thursday looks like a real steady rain for all locations. And temperatures near 80 degrees. Tiffany.
Thanks, Jeff. An 18